Welcome back to the channel. What if I told you this isn't a sci-fi movie prop, but a real camper that looks like it escaped from 2036? One wheel in front, two at the back, and a body that feels more stealth jet than RV. In the next 3 minutes, this thing might change how you see road travel forever. At first glance, it rolls up quietly, almost suspiciously calm. That sharp nose, the single front wheel, and those aggressive lines don't beg for attention. They dare you to stare, and just when you think it's a motorcycle, your brain realizes that's a camper. Walk around it in your mind. The body is compact but tall, with proper windows, a solid side door, and a boxy living space. It feels armored, wrapped in a matte, camo-style skin that screams off-grid confidence. But here's the question no one asks yet. How does this actually feel on the road? Now compare this to a traditional petrol camper van. Those beasts are loud, wide, and drink fuel like there's no tomorrow. This tricycle camper feels like the opposite philosophy. Smaller footprint, futuristic stance, and designed to slip through roads where vans struggle. But wait, look at that front wheel again. One wheel means sharper turning, more agility, and probably easier city navigation. At the same time, it makes you wonder about high-speed stability and rough terrain. That curiosity is exactly what keeps pulling you closer. The mirrors, the lights, the sculpted front. Everything feels intentional. This doesn't look like a home glued onto a vehicle. It looks designed as one piece, one story, a moving capsule for people who want freedom without the bulk. Still, honesty matters. The compact size likely means limited interior space compared to full-size camper vans. You're trading roominess for efficiency and style, and that trade won't be for everyone. Yet emotionally, this thing hits hard. It feels like the future traveler's choice. Quiet, bold, and unapologetically different from petrol-powered giants. Less noise, less excess, more experience. So now I want to hear from you. Would you choose this futuristic tricycle camper over a traditional petrol van? Is this the future of camping, or just a beautiful experiment? Drop your thoughts below, because this debate is just getting started.